As of October 2025, Tesco Mobile has largely moved away from using security questions as a primary method for account recovery due to their inherent vulnerabilities. Instead, they emphasize more secure methods like password resets via email or SMS to verified numbers and multi factor authentication. Security questions, such as "What's your mother's maiden name?" are considered a weak link in cybersecurity because they can be guessed from social media or public records. Tesco Mobile now prioritizes stronger authentication methods like app-based codes, biometrics, and password resets through verified channels. Biometric verification, including fingerprint and facial recognition, provides secure access without remembering questions. Account recovery focuses on sending secure links to registered devices, eliminating the risks associated with traditional security questions. While security questions are being phased out, you might still find them in your account settings. To check, log in to your My Tesco account via the app or website. Navigate to Account Settings, then Security, and finally, Account Recovery. If security questions are available, you can change them. But remember, this is not the recommended security practice. The most important step is to enable MFA. This adds an extra layer of security, typically requiring a code from your Tesco mobile app or an authenticator app in addition to your password. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, regardless of whether security questions are present. Prioritize enabling MFA for the best protection.